Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm taking you with me on an unforgettable journey to one of the most beautiful destinations on the Red Sea, Sharm El Sheikh, Egypt. For our stay, we booked an all-inclusive package at Parrotel Beach Resort. The hotel is located right by the beach, with beautiful gardens, multiple pools, and a private coral reef just steps away. The food was great, the staff super friendly, and the atmosphere was perfect for a relaxing holiday. Highly recommended if you're looking for comfort and convenience in Sharm. One of the highlights of our stay at Parrotel was the vibrant evening entertainment. Every night, the resort came alive with music, lights, and energy. From live bands and traditional Egyptian dance shows to international DJs and themed parties by the pool, there was always something happening. We loved relaxing at the beach bar with a cocktail in hand, listening to live music under the stars. One of the absolute highlights of our trip was a full-day boat excursion to Ras Mohammed National Park, a world-renowned marine reserve just off the coast of Sharm El Sheikh. We booked a diving trip that cost around €40 per person, and it was worth every cent. The package included guided dives, snorkeling stops, a delicious buffet lunch, and unlimited drinks on board.
اسم المركب هو دريم واحد. النهارده محدش هينادي عليك بالفندق ولا حد هينادي عليك باسمك. كل التعامل النهارده هيبقى باسم المركب اللي هو دريم واحد. هنلاقي اسم المركب على ظهر المركب من هنا وعلى الجنب اليمين وعلى الجنب الشمال. هنلاقيها على الجناب وعلى الظهر.
هذه ما شافوهاش.
The underwater world was absolutely breathtaking, vibrant coral gardens, schools of colorful fish, and even a few curious sea turtles swimming by. The visibility was crystal clear, and the dive instructors were super professional and friendly, making the whole experience safe and unforgettable.
تعبانة؟
بابا شو قال؟
بيموت. أنا جنبك هنا ما تقلقيش، بابا جنبك وأنا جنبك. سيبها فوق هنا، اقفل عليها كويس. تيركم. تاني مرزبانة وصل.
يباعوا.
During our stay, we also explored two of the most iconic areas in Sharm El Sheikh, Naama Bay and the Old City. Naama Bay, or Khalij Naama, but the true highlight was seeing the Al Sahaba Mosque, a breathtaking architectural masterpiece right in the heart of the old market. Our visit to the iconic Farsha Cafe offering panoramic views over the Red Sea. As the sun sets, Farsha transforms into a magical lounge with chill-out music, shisha, and a cozy, romantic atmosphere. It's the perfect spot to relax after a day of exploring, sip on a fresh juice or cocktail, and watch the sky turn shades of orange and pink. Shark Bay. Despite its name, there are no sharks here anymore, just crystal clear waters, colorful coral reefs, and a string of luxury resorts like the Hilton and the Savoy. Shark Bay is perfect if you're looking for a more tranquil, exclusive beach experience away from the busier areas like Naama Bay. One of the most thrilling experiences we had in Sharm El Sheikh was our desert safari on quad bikes. Just outside the city, the vast Sinai desert opens up into endless golden landscapes, the perfect playground for adventure. We joined a guided tour where we each got our own quad bike, and after a quick safety briefing, we were off racing across the sand dunes, kicking up dust, and feeling the adrenaline rush as the sun began to set behind the mountains. The views were absolutely surreal. Wide open desert, dramatic rock formations, and that magical golden hour light. Halfway through the ride, we stopped at a Bedouin-style camp where we enjoyed some traditional tea, took photos, and soaked in the peaceful desert silence. It was an unforgettable experience, a fast-paced, scenic, and a totally different side of Sharm El Sheikh that you don't want to miss.
قمر.
Another perfect day for swimming, this time at Parrotel's private coral beach.
سنوركلت يشوفوا الحوت.
One of the most vibrant places we visited in Sharm El Sheikh was Soho Square, a modern entertainment and shopping district located right next to the Savoy Resort at White Knight Beach. Soho Square is like a mini city of fun. It's packed with stylish restaurants, international bars, shisha lounges, and live entertainment. Whether you're in the mood for sushi, steak, or traditional Egyptian food, you'll find it here.
We zijn in Sharm El Sheikh.
Sharm El Sheikh.
Sharm El Sheikh. Sheikh.
Our adventure to Cairo began with an overnight bus ride from Parrotel Beach Resort. The bus departed at 11:30 p.m., and after a long but comfortable journey through the Sinai Peninsula, we arrived in Cairo around 7 a.m., just in time to catch the sunrise over the city. To the National Museum of Egyptian Civilization, and wow, what an experience! This was our first time visiting the museum, and it truly brought Egypt's rich history to life. One of the most unforgettable parts was the Royal Mummies Hall, where we saw the actual mummies of ancient pharaohs like Ramses II and Queen Hatshepsut. After the museum, we took some time to relax with a scenic boat trip on the Nile River, and it was absolutely magical. Gliding along the water, we got to see a different side of this city, peaceful, calm, and full of charm. The views were stunning, historic bridges, city lights reflecting on the water, and the gentle breeze making it the perfect way to unwind. After our Nile River boat trip, we headed straight to the Pyramids of Giza, and that turned out to be the perfect timing. We had around 3 to 4 hours to explore the Great Pyramid of Khufu, the Pyramids of Khafre and Menkaure, and of course, the Great Sphinx. It was an unforgettable experience, standing in front of these 4,500-year-old monuments as the sun rose over the desert.
For others who didn't make a reservation for the Camel rides, you can take from now your free time. Go anywhere, touch the pyramids, do what you
محمدي خش بقى
One of the most unforgettable moments of our Cairo adventure was taking a camel ride around the Pyramids of Giza. It felt like stepping back in time, riding through the golden sands with the majestic pyramids towering in the background. Our guide led us on a scenic route that gave us incredible panoramic views of the Great Pyramid, the Sphinx, and the vast desert landscape. Thank you so much for watching and joining us on this unforgettable journey through Egypt, from the ancient wonders of Cairo to the breathtaking beauty of Sharm El Sheikh. Whether you're dreaming of diving into the crystal clear waters of the Red Sea, exploring the timeless pyramids of Giza, riding camels through the desert, or simply relaxing on a sun-soaked beach, Egypt has something for everyone. Sharm El Sheikh truly stole our hearts with its mix of adventure, luxury, culture, and natural beauty. It's a destination that offers unforgettable memories, warm hospitality, and experiences you'll carry with you forever.